Hey, this is Henry Bachman with PowerWashCompany.com. I want to share a quick example of a job we just did and the neighbor's house that we did over here. Here's the house we did. All the aluminum siding stuff came out good. Cleaned the sidewalks and stuff for them too. And here's a neighbor's house that a competitor did. Notice the missing paint on the siding. And you really hit that with some high pressure and tore everything up. And come around the side so you can see this a little bit better. And you can see all the shining and stuff on the aluminum siding. See up near the top, they must have got up on a ladder so they can power wash it really good with high pressure and get all that dirt and stuff off. Oh, and some of the paint too. You see up near the top edge, they've taken all the paint off. And the very front, they took so much paint off, it's down to bare aluminum now. So that's the type of difference you get when you hire somebody who's untrained, and this is the type of job you get when you hire somebody who knows what they're doing. PowerWashCompany.com. Give us a call, 301-762-9274.